This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Xytrovac NF Adult Nasal Spray/Drops is a nasal medication used to alleviate nasal congestion. It is effective for both children and adults. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the relief of nasal congestion caused by conditions such as the common cold, sinusitis, and allergic rhinitis. It provides symptomatic relief by opening the nasal passages and reducing excessive secretion, making it easier to breathe. It is designed to be used by individuals aged 12 and above and can help alleviate discomfort associated with nasal inflammation and swelling. How it works. It works by narrowing the blood vessels in the nasal passages, which helps to reduce swelling and allows air to flow more freely. Directions for use. For use, gently instill 1 to 2 drops of the medication into each nostril 1 or 2 times daily as directed by your physician. If using a nasal spray, insert the nozzle into the nostril, press the pump to release the spray while sniffing simultaneously. Clean the dropper or nozzle after each application to prevent contamination, and do not use it for more than 7 days without consulting a doctor. Discard any unused portion after 28 days of opening. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include nasal dryness, discomfort, headaches, and irritation. More severe reactions, though rare, can include nosebleeds or severe allergic responses. Precautions and warnings. Use with caution in individuals with heart disease, glaucoma, or those who have had recent neurosurgery. It's important to consult a healthcare provider before use, especially if there are pre-existing conditions or if the patient is elderly or a child under 12. FAQs. 1. What is the use of this medication? It is used to relieve nasal congestion due to various conditions. 2. Can it be used daily? Use it as prescribed and not for more than 7 days without consulting a doctor. 3. Is it safe for children? It can be used for children aged 12 and above with a doctor's consultation. 4. What are the common side effects? Irritation, burning sensation, and nasal dryness are common. 5. How long does it take to work? Relief can be felt within 5 to 10 minutes of application. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is always appreciated.